again in the UTEX Pixel channel. In today's video I would like to announce the beginning of the new project. I'm working right now on it for the past few days. So after finishing Ballsy I really have a lot of motivation and ideas to do a next project, so I thought that let's keep the momentum and let's start straight away. I had this idea for the space shooter, kind of bullet hell small game with character progression and so on. So I start to do some prototypes. This is what I have so far. So we have some nice space background made already. I have a player prototype with one turret, but the idea in the game is that the player, while progressing during the gameplay, will be able to spawn more turrets around. So the main one, it has a little bit of AI. I mean, it's now moving towards the player movement, but when I stopped, it's just searching for the random direction, and some it's turning around. And when the enemy approach within the radius, it will start to aim for enemy. So as you can see now, the turret does not rotate very fast, but this is one of the features that the player will be able to increase during the gameplay. Will be able to invest in the turrets rotation speed, turrets firing reload, and so on. So I also have some basic enemy. For the moment it's not moving, but because I disable movement just for testing purposes, I want to test the feedback on the enemy when it's getting hit, and it looks like that. And I'm trying to do it in a simple way, I mean using as less animations as possible. So maybe in the future the player will be able to choose from the 2 or 3 characters. So that's so far what I have. I'm working currently on the feedback for the enemy and looting system, because the enemies will be spawning some collectibles, and based on those collectibles the player will be able to progress during the game, of course. That's the main idea. Okay, thanks for your attention. Keep your fingers crossed. I think in the 2-3 weeks I will have some prototype that I will be maybe even able to share on the itch.io as a kind of free demo, but I will see, because there's quite a lot of work to do. I gave myself a time frame of 4 months to finish this project. I started last week and I'm working intensively for the past few days. So let's see how it goes. Thanks so much for your attention and have a nice day. Bye.